It does what its name says. It's a space where you can make anything. That's the best part about this room, and it's fun.
Today we have a fun activity for you.
The resources that we have in this room are amazing. We have anything that you can imagine, so if you can dream it, it can be made in this space. I've really enjoyed working with a variety of the children. We've done everything in this room from first grade up to juniors currently, creating hearts that will pump blood and stimulate the flow of blood through the body. We have done snap bracelets for sixth grade for their upcoming trip to the Peace River so they can help identify different types of shark teeth. We've had periscopes, we've had puppet shows thing, and that's what I really love about the makerspace. It's not just for one thing, it's for all grade levels, all subjects, all ideas. And if you can think it, this is the area that we can bring it out and we can help you learn in a more hands-on, constructive way.